Hello guys, I hope everybody is doing okay. In today's video, we're going to look at how to print out a material slip and also a 5990. Um, People think it's only the 92 hours or the maintenance guys that can print out the 5990. Basically, we have a special 5990 for PB01 that you can print out against an equipment. So let's say you um, do a PB01 for a Humvee, you can print out the uh, 5990 together with your, what do you call it, let's say you're doing a lateral, you can print a 5990 which will have your shortages on it. Then you can transfer it to whoever is the gaining unit for that equipment. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do the material slip, and the material slip is also when you place your PB01 work order and you want a proof that hey, I actually did create a PB01 work order, you can print out the material slip and issue it out to the sub-hand receipt holder whom the equipment belongs to. That's what I mean. So the person who owns the equipment, you give that person the issued material slip so that they'll be tracking that those items are on order. So let's get into it. So we use a T code IW38, and I also do a video to show you how to use IWBK to get to IW38, right? You can use IWBK to do it too. Most people don't know that. So you put in your order type, which is always going to be PB01 since you're doing PB01. Then your main work center, your main work center. Then don't forget your layout. So your layout is going to be IW39, which is display PB01. Then you execute. So I'm just going to select one of my work orders, then um, print the material issue slip. So you can double click on it or you highlight and click order. So right here, you go to order, then you go to print, you click on order again. So as you can see, material issue slip is right here. You can select that, but first of all, we're going to do the maintenance request. So we're going to do a print preview. So that's your maintenance request. That's the 5990 Echo, and you can see the items that are on order on it right there. It's right there. You can see it right here. These are the items that has been ordered against this particular item, which is the tent. Now on selected, let's select the material issue slip, and let's look at the preview how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. It also has everything that all shortages that are on order against the tent. Now you can print it while selected, then you can print it to your printer. So basically, you when you print the material issue slip out, you can get what do you call it? Keep a copy and give a copy to the server receipt holder. But that is how it's supposed to be done. But for some of us, for example, I know it's bad practice, but since I can always get into IWK or IW38 to print it out, I don't keep a card because I can always print it out. But it's good to print it out so that in the nearby future, when you close all your work orders, you can still have a copy, right? Because you can close all your work orders one way or the other. I would say after a change of command, no. Um, I don't know when to close work orders, but I would say when you put something on order and everything comes in, it's advisable to close the work order. Yeah. Now, so basically, that is all for today. That is all for today. How to print material issue slip and a 5990. You can also print a 5988, which I was trying to show, but they did, when I did that, it didn't work because I was screen recording. It didn't work. All right. So that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching.